Hello and welcome to the Screencast introducing polynomials. Polynomials are likely already very familiar to you. Indeed, the simplest polynomial functions are ones we use regularly, linear and quadratic functions. A polynomial function is a sum of multiples of power functions that has the form p of x equals a sub 0 plus a sub 1 times x plus a sub 2 times x squared, plus the pattern continues until a sub n times x to the nth power, where a sub n does not equal 0, and a sub 0, a sub 1 through a sub n minus 1 are real numbers. Polynomial functions obey many interesting patterns and find important applications in a wide range of settings. By simply looking at the degree of a polynomial, the highest power of x that is present, we can determine the maximum number of times the function will cross the x-axis and also understand the long-range behavior of the function. Important ideas in calculus depend on knowing where a function is positive or negative, and hence on where the function is 0. Because polynomial functions can be factored into products of linear and quadratic terms, we often consider factored forms such as p of x equals x squared plus 1 times x minus 2 quantity squared times x plus 5 times x plus 1 cubed. We will learn how to visualize such functions by looking at their zeros and the power associated with each, and work to understand where the function changes sign. Finally, one key idea with polynomials centers on the difference between up close and far away behavior. We'll see how the structure of these functions helps us understand what to expect when we zoom in near one of the locations where the function crosses the x-axis, and also what to expect when we zoom out to consider long-range behavior.